Hello everyone, my name is Adrienne Galvin and welcome. So today I am going to make some vegan Parmesan cheese, ready to actually make some pizza bases. We'll make some pizzas for tea tonight. So super excited about that. Now this is the first time I've ever made it, so that's really exciting. And I am using my thermomix. And I thought I'd video me doing it for the first time because just to show you how easy it is to do. Now the reason I have a thermomix or got a thermomix or why I love it is that it just means that with nutrition and looking after my health and family's health, I can actually make things from scratch, which makes it more healthier because there's less preservatives and more nutritional value in it because it hasn't had everything cooked out of it. So I'm bringing the food right back to basics and making it super clean, which is really exciting. Other thing that I really love is that with the Thermomix I can plan in all my recipes for the week, and it can be lunches, dinners, or dinners that make leftovers for lunches. Pop them in and plan out my week digitally, so just online on the internet on CookieDoo, and then it will actually spit out my recipe and I can go through and check off I've already got that in the cupboard, and the rest of it will have a list and I can copy it and put it into the notes on my phone, which is awesome. That saves paper, good for the economy, and I can go around and shop, or I can go online and do my online grocery shop, which is cool. So back to doing this, I will just turn it on. I've already programmed in that I wanted to do the vegan Parmesan for today, so that should come up. It's just warming up. So, and I've already gone through and gotten out my ingredients. I haven't weighed anything because this actually does it all, pretty much most of it for us, which is awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the three buttons over there and I'm going to go my week, and it's just logging onto my CookieDoo account for the first time. So you don't actually need to be connected to the internet to access all your recipes and everything like that, but you do for my week. So basically I'll go on a Sunday, do all what I want to do, and I only have to connect it to my machine on the internet once, and it will have everything loaded. From there on after, it will have all the recipes I've done in the past and any new ones I do and add to it. So I've just gone to my week and today, and it's got plant-based Parmesan recipe pop up. It tells me all the ingredients that I need to get out, tips and tricks, utensils, and everything there. So I'm just going to press start cooking. Right, so it's telling me place 50 grams of walnuts into here. So on the left here it's got a 0 grams, but if it had a different number I would just press tier, make sure it's at 0, then put my walnuts in. Now this actually weighs everything as well, which is so incredible. It means that I don't need to get a different machine out. So I'm just going to pop 50 grams of walnuts in there. And it's actually so precise. There you go. And then I'm going to go next, and then it wants 50 grams of sunflower seeds. I'll do the same thing there. Yes. So obviously I've washed my hands before I start doing this. Super easy. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful day today. I love living in Hawke's Bay. Generally it's pretty good weather. Right, so we've got 50 grams of sunflower seeds. Next, so we want 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. One I prepared earlier. So I have my hemp seeds here. So obviously most of the time I try to use the bulk bins that say bin in or something like that there, but I've got some Ceres Organics hemp seeds in this container here. So I want 1, 2, and then we want to click next, and we want 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. So I have just gotten mine from Bin-In as well, and I'm just using the Bragg's brand at the moment, and the main reason for that is it just has non-GMO in it. So 1, 2. How easy is this? Next, and then we want 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Right, so we've got the garlic powder here. There we go. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so I'm just using Himalayan pink salt. And this recipe, by the way, apart from the walnuts, is 30-day approved, a 30-day nutrition program approved, which is exciting. So you could actually swap them out for almonds or something like that instead. Right, so next then we want to, it's telling me to insert measuring cup into the mixing bowl lid and then pop it on. Right, as you can tell, I haven't actually organised myself, but it's super easy, and that's what I love about this, is I don't actually have to be that organised apart from having my ingredients here, which being able to program them in makes it, you know, so easy and saves time and being organised. So we go next, and then now it's telling me it's already set up for whatever I need to do. All I need to do is turn the knob round to here, and the timer and everything else is set up for me. I'll do that. And it sings to tell me it's done. So then I just click next and finish. And there we have it. Our vegan Parmesan cheese, or a plant Parmesan cheese. How incredible is that? So I will just pop that into a sealable container and pop that in the fridge, and that is ready for our pizzas that we'll be having later on tonight for tea. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you learned something, and yeah, if you've got any questions or you want to know more, please do get in touch, and I would love it if you wanted to get in contact to do a virtual cooking experience. They are so fun to do. Yeah, hope you have an amazing day. Thanks again. Bye.